Hi, it's Kathy at Mesquite Mountain Homestead, getting started on my next wall. This one, I've got all the straw in and the outside is cob. Still got to get a door. So now I'm going to start on this wall. I'm going to get those slats in there today. Put the straw in there. It's a gorgeous day out here. So that's what I'm up to. Thanks for being here, you guys. What do you see out there? What do you see out there? Something? Oh, something. So, this wall is finished. And I'm waiting for my bottles before I finish those corners. They told me the blue bottles are now supposed to be here on Wednesday, so I'm going to wait to do my bottles up there. So I'm going to start on that east wall. Yay. Well, look, just like that, it got all the nails out of those slats. Now I've got to go and get them in the wall. We are going to find Gina's ball. Gonna go look for it, huh? I know we were down here on the road. And then she took off. She smelled something or heard something. I knew she would leave her ball up there. Well, she's a happy dog. Look what she found. We're happy now. I don't know how she found it. She just took off up the wash. It wasn't even where she lost it or where I saw her go up. But I'm very happy for this dog. Well, it's another beautiful morning. I gotta say, it's nice to walk out here and see that wall done. You might have noticed I didn't cover this old part right here. That's where the wire will go down for the solar. And I put a section of hose through there. That's where the wiring will go in. I like seeing that. So, I'm working on that east wall, getting the slats in. Smells wonderful out here. It rained pretty good. Just like that. The lower ones have all the slats and are filled with straw. Since I have my paint, I'm going to go work on the window that goes here. I might get this top one done today too. Let's do a quick little garden update. This little tomato is doing great. I got a tomato off it today, and there's another one turning ripe in there. It was very good. It wasn't huge, it was smallish. It was about the size of one of these, but it was perfectly red and good. And there's the basil doing its thing. And the cucumber. I've got 2 cucumbers off here. I made a cucumber salad last night, but I don't see any more coming on just yet. I'll fertilize it again. It's had those little bugs on it, but I sprayed it with neem oil. I'm hoping that will help whatever is going on. See, I know what this is. I can't think of the name of this. But I'm going to keep spraying it with the neem oil. I'll put a couple drops of Dawn dish soap in it. That seems to really get to them too. Little rascals. And the chard is doing wonderful. I'm going to start picking some off of there and having them with my dinner. They are so very good. And it's big enough now I could do that. That's a bush bean. These are pole beans. That's my lettuce going to seed. I'm going to save those. This is really good lettuce. And there's the cantaloupes. That's a zinnia. I left it by the cantaloupe. They were all around the cantaloupe last year, and the cantaloupe seemed to like the shade from them. Here's my carrots. I should probably pull them and put something else in here. And this is my squash. See them down there? It's an acorn squash. It's got 2 or 3 on there. And over here is my zucchini. I love these. My zucchini, I had zucchini last year, all summer long. It's got, I don't know, 2 or 3 down there. They always do pretty good. And these are the peppers. They're doing great. You know, one thing about peppers, I know some people trim them down when they first get them because it helps them grow bushier. Well, mine got attacked by those leafcutter ants, but they're all coming back real thick and bushy. This is a banana pepper. That's a regular sweet pepper, I think. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it is, though. Usually I grow a jalapeno, too, but I couldn't find one. And that is a gypsy mini bell, it's called. It's just a small bell pepper. And the mint's doing great. That little tomato's doing good. There was 3 volunteers over in that corner, and I don't think they're going to make it. They are looking really droopy. They're hanging on, but I don't think they're gonna live. Those are potatoes back there. And some zinnias. This parsley was covered with those caterpillars, but they were the black swallowtails, and they're so pretty, so I just let them have their way until they were done doing what they needed to do. And they're gone now, so I'll trim those ones they really got after. I'll trim those off. It'll grow back fine. And those are more zinnias. I'm going to have plenty of those. They're going to be so pretty. And this is my sunflower, but it's got these weird little bugs on it too. I don't know what they are. I cleaned it with neem oil last night, so this should be okay. So anyhow, that part's doing pretty good. This is This is my little pot of greens. But my chives and cilantro didn't come up, but I've got lots of lettuce and beets. Not very many radishes came up either. Not sure why, but I'll get quite a bit of lettuce out of there. And then this just nasturtiums. A rather sad looking strawberry plant. I had to move these from the corner, it was too hot. Hopefully they'll make a comeback over here. So, that's about it for that. Well, that's about it around here the last couple days. I hope you're all doing great. I always appreciate it when you stop by. And I'll see you soon. Take care.